Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add widescreen overlay in Capcut VC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add widescreen overlay in Capcut VC. When you are in Capcut, just add the video to the track. And after that, go to library, and then here in the search bar, search for video and photos. Okay, select white. Okay, and this one add to the track and just move it up. And then increase the duration to match the video. And then here just scroll down and opacity, just decrease it. Okay, for example 25%. Okay, now we just play the video and see. Yeah, or you can also increase it more if you want. Here for example 34. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add widescreen overlay in Capcut VC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.